Hi, this is Cheryl Trexler, and I live on an island in Alaska. And actually, my rainforest is right here behind me, and I so enjoy bird watching. If you like that, they land on my deck right outside my living room, and not only do I get to capture their picture, I get to see them a lot. So I really enjoy being here. I love my grandkids. I have 7. So I'm really enjoying family life, and I actually love helping others too, to be able to enjoy that. So if you want to live an extraordinary life and work from home and have a home business, then stay tuned and I will tell you just how to do that. Alrighty, let's talk about some of the challenges that most people face when they're trying to do a work from home business. And let's start with the first thing that's really a problem is wasting time. Doing things that don't matter, won't help you, that are just a waste of time. You know, that is one problem. Let's say you have this link for this program and you send it out on your Facebook, you send it out on your Messenger, you put it out on social media, you spread it everywhere, and you're spamming your link. It is not the way, and it doesn't work. It is not the way you want to do it. And then you've got the buy traffic deal. I remember in a company they told me to buy traffic and solo ads. I don't know if you remember those. And that was how you built your list, right? So I bought solo ad after solo ad after solo ad and was building a nice list. But guess what? The problem was no sales. That was the problem. You just can't do that because you don't know, and if you don't know, then you end up wasting a lot of time. You know, a sponsor does not give you the key to what you need to do. They just don't. A mentor, a group of people that are highly successful, that know the exact roadmap is key for that, you know, because otherwise you're just wasting your time and, you know, it doesn't work. Now, the second reason that challenge that people face, of course, is the fact that their first payout, they wait forever and ever to earn a payout, right? And it doesn't happen, and they get discouraged, and they have all these, you know, things they need to do, but they don't know where to start. They don't know what they're doing, and time goes on, and unfortunately, like in the first 30 days, when they don't see any results, and they're working and doing, and it's not giving them what they need, they quit. So earning the first payout is really vital, right? And number 3 is like a skill set. And what I'm talking about when I talk about a skill set is these guys that earn really good money, those that really know what to do, they have funnels. And, you know, what's a funnel? You know, then they have the ability to track their funnels. And they have email swipes, and they have video marketing, and they have keywords. And these skill sets are good, but it takes years to learn them. And that is a big issue when it comes to getting started online. You don't have skill sets, you know, and what do you do? And so number 4 is traffic. For sure, people spend hundreds of dollars, like I was talking about what I did with the solo ad. People spend hundreds of dollars for traffic, and they get no money back. Now, what's that do? That just destroys you when you can't reap the money. People run out of money, and that isn't going to work, right? That is very hard, and these are some of the challenges most people face. Now that I've given you the challenges, I want to talk to you about how you fix it, what you can do to change that, how you can be successful. And so the first thing I want you to know is the exact information that you need. You don't have to go running around trying to figure it out on your own, trying to take advice from here or there and ending up spending a lot of money and no money back for it. You know, that's the thing. So the exact information that you need to be successful, our 6-figure income group knows it, and you know it, and you know exactly what to do. We have this community in Facebook that is absolutely outstanding. Not only is it proof, everybody puts all their pay in there, everybody helps each other, people building this community, so you're not all alone, and you're not saying, well, my sponsor is just trying to get me to whatever, hang on, whatever, not really giving me the key. This group we have, The mentorship you've got here is valuable. Can't find anywhere else. And there's tons of proof in our Facebook community for you to see what's going on and how it's working and the pay people are getting. And then the other thing is you have targeted traffic. This is way different. This is the kind of traffic we have that is only available for our group. And it's targeted because the people actually are interviewed and they tell the interviewer how much they're willing to pay to get started and how much time they are willing to spend on their business. Now, that's huge. That is really huge, and it's really working so well because in the very first month, after 1 week, I got paid. Now, when does that ever happen? I mean, is that ever an incredible way to... Birds are crazy. Isn't that an incredible way to give you confidence, to spur you on when you're getting paid? I mean, that's what it's supposed to do, right? So this month, I've gotten paid 4 times already, and it's not even over yet. I expect more. And so that's so incredible, so exciting for people. And you will learn how to build your business the right way. So I'm excited to tell you this. You want to go to my link in my princessbosslady.info. You want to go there and you want to get inside. It lays it out, complete details exactly, and you can get started right from there. It's very simple. And just write me on my page, like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and let me know you want in that Facebook group. You do want into our community as well. So just let me know, and I'll be happy to help you out. So I appreciate you watching. Thanks. Bye from Alaska.